Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download media kit materials from DocSend for LinkedIn sharing. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To download media kit materials from DocSend for LinkedIn sharing, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the DocSend website. Log in to your DocSend account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the media kit you wish to download. Click on the specific media kit to open it. Review the materials available for download. Look for a download button or link within the media kit page. Click the download button to initiate the process. Choose the format you prefer for the downloaded materials, if prompted. Confirm your selection to start the downloading process. Monitor the progress of your download. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your device's Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to ensure all materials are intact. Prepare the media kit for sharing on LinkedIn. Go to your LinkedIn profile. Click on the option to create a new post. Upload the media kit materials you downloaded. Add any accompanying text or hashtags to your post. Finally, click the share button to publish your post on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.